Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create WhatsApp community. Okay, let's get into it. The first thing is that you simply need to log into your WhatsApp account. Once you're there, simply click on what community. After which you click on what new communities. Click on it. So after that you are going to see create a new community. You simply click on what get started. Okay, once you're here, you simply need to insert the name of your community. Let's say Elect TV. So once you're done with that, you simply need to insert the description. So we are going to leave it in the default manner. So after that, we are going to click on what create community. So guys, this is how you create a WhatsApp community. So let's check it out. And now you can now start adding members if you want to add members and existing groups or groups. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add members and add existing groups to your WhatsApp community. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.